All right, great. We already know how to apply professional formatting and use cell styles, which is excellent. Earlier, we promised that we'd show you a quick way to use the formatting of a cell or a group of cells to other cells. And now we will deliver on that promise. Let's go through the following example. We already have a subtotal formatting for the gross profit row, correct? Right. What I'd like to do now is apply it to the other subtotal lines we have here, namely EBITDA, EBIT, and EBT. One way to do that is to press the Format Painter icon up here on the left, or the Alt plus H plus F plus P keyboard combination. This operation copies the formatting of a selected cell or a group of cells, and Excel is ready to apply it to other cells in the spreadsheet. So I can take the formatting of the subtotal we have and apply it to the EBITDA and EBIT subtotal lines. Cool, right? An alternative way to do that is to copy the cells whose format you would like to carry over. Select the range that must be formatted and use Paste Special. It is crucial to know how to use it. To get to the Paste Special window, you must either expand the paste icon up here or use a keyboard shortcut. You can either use Ctrl, Alt, and V, or Alt, E, and S. Doesn't make a difference. This feature allows you to paste only a certain property of the copied cells. It can be their formulas, values, and so on. In our case, we need to choose Formats because we would like to copy the formatting of these cells. Okay? Awesome! Paste Special is a useful functionality, so make sure you understand how to work with it. Later in the course, we will show you how it's applied in practice.